legendary bang, also known as scatter. This is somebody. Oh, go on, Benabo. You alright? Nice goatee. He's a cool goat, you know. You're nice, man. Eh? You're cool. Nice goat. Look at that beautiful. Look at that. Bananas on the tree. Banana got cut down from the. What you doing? What's your name? Rondi, the infamous, loving life, and doing it. Blessings to everyone. Thank you for watching. Salute to you and your family. Breathe that fresh air. Butterfly. The dragon. He called himself Hot Stepper. Famous Hot Stepper. Entering slave headquarters. Slave master headquarters. Whitney. Let's touch the rock. Look at these inches right here. Kept our people in. Now I pray. The Almighty, for all the bloods that was shed, for all the dead, give us future freedom from misery and inhumane treatment. Let these humans be responsible for each other as brothers and sisters. Almighty up. You see now what we did there was to seal the entrance. This is a very, without, you remember the last time? It's a different vibe now. It's quieter, and it's dry. And it's not wet. Wow, the sky. This place is a special, it's like I wouldn't say playground. It's a slave ground. This is so, the feeling here, once you walk through, you realize that this tree was untouched. This was part of the visual they would look at. These trees are pretty much captured their memory. They stared at the tree, and the tree took in their pain, their sorrows, their tears. These are slave trees filled with pain, hope for freedom. So they kept growing. because they want, this was the only way the spirit of the slaves could actually be free.
Yeah.
Ah, poetic.
Yeah.
Now, if you look at this donkey vibration, pay attention to the kind of movement of his body. You see that little kind of chanting, that movement, that
heartbeat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And either do you think it's water, lack of water? It's just a
No,
energy.
He's just feeling warm and
It's a vibe.
yes, it's a vibe.
Little heat.
It's a vibe. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, man.
So these are the people. I'll move now.
Why banana peel loaded down, you know. Sea River, you know, sir. Manchester River.
Are you the passenger of the car? No.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, we see how you to look like you. Yeah. Oh, that's that's what I say. You.
Which way you go? Okay.
Oh.
You know, see all water wanted down, man. Yes, man. You know, see that all the pumpkin.
So you're a young farmer.
Yes.
How old are you?
25.
25? Say hello to Jamaica. 25-year-old, you're a legend, you know.
Yes, man.
Tell the other 25-year-old youth them
Yeah,
to
I
join
can.
you upon the journey.
Well, I can encourage every 25-year-old and over, you know, that this journey is not an easy one, but you are able to make it. Yes.
Respect.
Yes.
Give them your name.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, long life and prosperity
Please wait.
and success, all right?
Yes, sir.
Jamaica, good life. Honor you because... Why did you start? What is your father tradition?
Well, I wouldn't say it's a tradition anymore. I saw persons doing such. And farming is a way to make money. Something you do, something again. And if you realize everything in this world, a gambling just the same. So why not try something and make something work?
What do you plant?
Well, I plant more like everything.
And you have a big field?
Yes, but mostly on the red dirt.
And who taught you?
Well, I wouldn't say taught, you know, but I watch people do things and I try it.
Wow.
Work.
So for the government, you're 25. Speak to the government. You're 25 and you're making a headway. You have some hardship using your machete and your hoe. What tools could the government subsidize under 25-year-old or 25-year-old farmers? They could kind of give you guys some incentive to come into this. Let's say a tractor or something.
All right, first for now, the tractor would do well, as we know how the river situates. A tractor would do well because each and every year, I could say, the water damage crops in this particular area. So if we have a tractor that can clean the drains, then we'll get more production from this area.
I see what you're saying.
And some people put in a lot and don't make nothing
Because
because of the water system, the drainage system.
do they rent tractors to clean the drains?
No, we haven't done that.
You haven't done that because of the
Once
cost?
we have done it,
Yeah.
well, people who work with me do it. And clean from here, go back down there.
Yeah.
But
This water path.
right here, yeah, and full up back now.
Mhm.
And no one want to participate in doing such to really help and clean it go back all the way around.
So basically, in summary, there's a water path here.
Yes.
And the government doesn't even help you guys to clean the water path, to protect you against the water. Isn't there a farming body or a commission that listen to you guys?
No,
and-
just
and-
work on our own.
So there's no committee in government that listen to the farmers' need and try to help them to protect them against water? Stuff like water damage?
Alright, if you look at this property,
Yes.
Are the determination of young man like this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
This young man. Why this space is being farmed, you know? This space would be just laying down idle.
The place wasn't like this, you know.
Yes, we knew.
The place was like those streets.
Yes, and I know when this
And
was
these
a
are the
grabber
things that
walk.
cut it down.
Yeah, man.
Machete and rain power saw.
Yeah, man.
Cut down it. But for all I know, in my place, I them I do it.
Yeah.
And mash up.
Yeah.
But if you need something, it still work.
Yeah.
So if somebody wanted to support you, give me a number.
Alright. Alright, my number is 876-374-2413. That's 876-2413.
I'm gonna have people call you and just send you support because you're unique. You're 25. And what I'm gonna do is to have the fans that watches our show to contact you and send you support. Whether you're gonna use it to buy fertilizer or more tools or to rent saw, you know what I mean? Me I gonna make them I'm gonna just put out your number, watch out for the nonsense. You know what I say?
Seen it, man.
You've seen?
Yes, man.
You've seen the program?
Yes, man.
Jamaica Good Life?
Yeah, man.
Okay, so you know us.
Yes, man.
Okay, I'm Randy.
You know, we came by banging.
Yes.
By the house.
Oh, you
and
saw
doing
it?
a recording and all.
Yes. So what more I want to know is, because you're the youngest I've met,
So far.
more want to launch you out.
Because you have younger than me. Man.
Eh?
The guy that you saw on the van back.
Yeah.
Younger than me.
And he's
So like,
dedicated.
yeah, he's like 22, 23.
Eh.
Yes. So this community here now, whole Copy Grove, Whitney, out that way, straight farming. We do.
We
There are
want
persons that work out, but when we don't work out, we do farming.
so
Because farming is it play a great role in income in this community.
if a man from the States contacts you and say he wants to do business with you, he wants to plant 300 head of yams. He supports it financially. The yam heads stick, pay the laborers. Could you maintain that business, get a part of the profit or a banana, whatever? Do you think you are transparent enough to do business with people abroad? Because a lot of people feel. Sometimes people hire farmers. I have 2 farmers now working on someone else's land. Because I want to kind of help link with people abroad who have given up. I have a man who called me, he has 35 acres in St. Mary and him give up. There's a lot of people abroad giving up because they can't find the honesty. From a scale of 1 to 10, what makes you spiritually honest? What when a man call you and say, give me a name again?
Chevoy.
Trevor. Chevoy. When a man call you and say, we want to do some business, are you that kind of upright? What makes you upright?
Because I fear God.
You fear God.
That's right.
So he's a solid Christian.
Yes, sir. Fear God.
Church every Sunday.
Yes, sir.
You have defend the
I do have-
forgiveness and the
I do,
mercy.
Of course, in church, so you know. Once you say God, I mean, fear it have to come in everything in the way.
Come over here, sir. Yeah. So Chevoy.
Right.
So the man reading Bible.
Yes, man.
Go church.
Praise to you, man.
So any Christians abroad who want to do business with you, them can because you fear God.
Yes, man. And one thing I know, it's not for you to tell people who you are, but it's just for them to see it. Because sometimes when you tell people who you are, they're expecting to see it and don't see it. Say it's good when they can see it for themselves. That's what I believe.
And your farm is an example. So your girlfriend or wife or family, if I were to interview you and your girlfriend or your friends, what is your quality? What them would I say about you?
I know they would say I'm very quiet. And I don't really go on the street like that. Like you see many guys would do. What I do, from church to home. And if I have something to do on the streets, that's where I go on the street. No more than that, and to my feet. No more. So they can say that I don't go on the road. I'm not a girlist, as they would say. I'm just a distant person.
You don't drink,
No,
smoke,
don't smoke.
just read
No
your
habits.
Bible, go to your farm. What do you do for fun?
Well, play games,
Basketball or soccer?
wrestling.
Wrestling?
I watch the wrestling and play it on the phone.
Okay.
But for look fun, I would play like cricket.
Cricket?
Watch football or play football.
No foolishness around. No. So do you travel through Jamaica, other places?
No, I haven't.
So Manchester is where you've,
Manchester is where I'm from, right?
and then you don't know much other places.
Not really, because to me, sometimes the need is not there to really go around the place like some people for nothing at all. I don't do that. I only go out if I have a reason to.
Is it 8 hours a day you work? Oh,
Sometimes 8, sometimes less.
got it. But Sunday is your rest day.
Yeah, I don't do no work on Sundays.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't lend my tools on Sundays because I don't work. So I'm not supposed to lend them either.
If you wanted support, people to support you, how would you expand your business? What would you invest in? If someone sends you support, what would you invest that support in?
The best way, how it looks right now in this area, ginger is a good project. Cocoa is a good project also. And also you have carrot. You have those stuff. Very good project those also.
Wow. And the land you can expand, do you have a limited amount of land?
You do have a limited amount.
So you...
Because this land cut down by different people. They cut and work where they cut. Right, so you do have a limit.
So you have your
You
section.
do have your section.
Can you lease more land from people? Not really around here.
You can, but it's rare to find it.
Got it.
Transportation is an issue. If you do have transportation, then you can lease it anywhere it is, just for travel
Yeah.
to where it is. So leasing is a transportation issue over the place.
Well, one day, I'm going to come back, I have your number. I'm going to see you upon the field. Because this gentleman here,
I hear intelligent. Man.
just like the 95-year-old lady,
Yes.
this man is 25.
Yes.
He's the future of farming.
Yes, yes.
So we should present his story
To the world.
to the government.
Yes, yes. As a youngster who is.
You know, this is the perfect man for my fans to write a petition in his name
Yes.
and say, why can't this man get a tractor? He's 25.
Well,
He should be the one
Yes, to get the start.
to get the tractor. You know why? Because he's the youngest.
He's young.
Or, not say the track, but he's the one that
to
should
lead- to
represent.
lead the next generation.
You should represent.
The
He
next
sh-
generation. This
you know what I say?
generation of youngsters.
Yeah, you should be the one.
Yes.
Because the government should reach out to a man like him
Yes,
and say,
As I say,
yeah,
it's the nation must reach out to this. It's the government.
yeah.
And I would say the government is made up of more than one people.
Right. So the
So you-
government and the people must get together. and
Yeah,
work
that's
out.
what I meant.
Yeah.
We're going to use our platform because I'm going to have them support him. They're going to call me, says, Randy, I need this guy number. And
Yes,
I'm going to check them out. Because you're going to have people with the gossip and the foolishness and the waste of
you
time.
know.
It no matter.
And you have a firm on it. So basically, when them call me and say, Randy, I love this good Christian man.
Yes.
I want to support him in any way.
Yes, you just vet him.
And when they come, them will come check you. There's a lot of good Christian brothers and sisters out there listening to him and say, wait a minute.
Willing to help.
This man he's a gem.
Sure.
Good man say, nah, go to the road.
But
For what?
commit no crime.
So, my brother, I respect you.
Yes, man.
I-
Say that.
A man like you for get the honorable name in front of your name because
Yes.
to find youth that is 25, doing farming and look like say, I'm going to just do it for a short period. It seems like you want to expand enterprise and possibly going to export and having your big truck and export to Canada
You
and
see man prepare for the bushes in a water book. It ain't a joke matter.
brother, it's a pleasure meeting you. So I'm going to put it out there and God will do the rest.
Yes, man.
All right,
So-
because the people are out there.
So 876
Mm-hmm.
374 2430.
We got you.
That's one. Chevoy.
Chevoy.
Correct.
Love, honor, and respect.
Yes, sir.
All right?
Respect.
I'm Randy.
Bye.
The dragon.
Yes, respect, Jack.
Love it. Yeah, man, I say it go youth.
Bless you.
Are we man, you know? Yeah, man.
Your story gone.
Nice, intelligent. Don't
Yeah, man. We're go put it out there. Say, the people are go,
look out for it.
it's a spiritual thing for me pass through. We never know, say, we're going to meet you.
Never.
It's an honor.
Never plan to come here.
You never plan? Then what happened?
I have a seed bed over there.
Okay.
So I say, I have a look at it. Even though I may have drowned out,
Yes.
but still have a look.
You know, so we never did plan, you know.
No, then when I see him come there,
But-
I say, but look at that.
But remember, we didn't get tired, because we didn't sleep last night, you know. So we get tired. I said, boy, we're not going to make the bang run, you know.
I'm being asleep in the house.
I remember saying, no. So, we know that the Almighty at work, so.
Go and go look on your seat bed and come. We are go up.
Yeah, man. Pass through.
Yeah.
Respect.
We up there, yeah.
Yes, sir.
He up there. Him up there, we find him. Yeah. Right, I peace with body. What is his name? Damed. Okay.
Respect. Soldier.
Yes, man, soldier.
No, the last time I came the river, I'm so happy looking at this.
Yes, and a Manchester, this, you know.
No, this is the majestic nature of this. This is why I want to invite, like you say, let's not harp on the government,
Yes.
but
the people.
but for my good Christian brothers and sisters out there, for example. Now, this is what I want to talk to you about. No, perfect example. Look at these little drums, right? And look at this big body of water. At some point, it's going to recede. So then if they had bigger tanks with pumps for catch crops, you know? But the whole point is,
This is a place where good farming can go on because water there.
yes.
You get me?
And not only that, good Christian people are here.
All right. Because
Not because you look like Rasta, I know you're a good Christian man.
25-year-old youngster who is a godly youth.
So, my people, a lot of times in life you might fail and you give up hope. But look what God just showed me.
Yes,
That the young generation is still hopeful and I'm much yet to my use. So only if that man that's listening to this program say, Randy, right, you know, me can't help that youth that for expanding business. A man is out there that's 60 years old and want to pass down for him legacy
To this youngster.
to this youth. So when him get to be 70, the youth can say, Papa, you want.
know what to two people.
You see me? The elders supposed to come round and surround this youth and say, youth, we're going to give you everything you need.
Yes, and lead off.
Because them are going to get old.
Yes, and lead off and set the example for the
You
next
see
one.
me?
Then.
So imagine them a get old and them a pass away and they know say, we pass on.
Yes. Look on the banana. You did your photograph in the banana.
Man, I'm just in awe with how today.
To the youth.
Yeah, man, because a 25-year-old youth that is such a good Christian, you know? I love it. I feel it, brother. This is not a, it's not a, I feel him energy, you know? Dragon, don't jump, dragon.
No, jump off, man.
No bother with no.
No acrobatic style.
No bother with no jacuzzi business.
No.
Right?
I'm out of the wash now, man. The last time we came here, there was no water.
Dragon, don't, because you look like more back flipping
You
head.
better go wash your hands.
Let me tell you something. Is it swimmable?
It could, yes, it could be because it's not like. It was well washed.
So
well
people,
washed.
I mean, Jamaican, I met a friend who I think he's going to come down with a tractor at some point.
Yeah.
So there's a Susumba, and
You see that?
the whole thing is,
So you see that the water was high, man.
yes,
Right up to the Sisumba, you know.
you guys have to work with these people to clear this.
Yes.
Since we're not going to depend on government, somebody who can get a tractor, help them, man, because they
You
need.
gonna wash your hands.
Me not go wash my hand, brother.
Okay.
I don't know if the water I gonna
Alright,
have bacteria upon it and there's some little
Alright,
frogs in it. So tadpoles. But I love it. Wow.
And you will wash out, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You know, she said no, so.
It's a run in Manchester, but
In
I'm
Manchester.
just excited.
Yeah.
People, you know, sorry I'm always so excited, but there's no tomorrow for me. So right now, may I just soak it all
So
in.
the pumpkin crop get drawn off, you know.
The pumpkin crack get drawn off. So most of them pumpkin dead.
Yeah. It is heavy water.
So you tell me say them man you lose them crop. And what would stop it? If
Just
this
the heavy rain.
so no matter what.
Yeah, the rain kills these crop on the flat.
And what part of the rain kills it? Is it the vine, the root.
Water just
Well, too much
blank it,
water
too
kills
much
the
water.
pumpkin.
Yeah. Whether it's bearing or it young.
So let me ask you this, just a technical question.
Yeah.
So if a lot of water kill the pumpkin, right? And I know the vine runs and it stick back in the dirt, right? At each segment.
Yeah.
But if the root was elevated above the water,
Well, in some countries, or even in Jamaica, people plant the pumpkin on a mound. They got a big hill and it's up there. But that doesn't save it from water, man, when you have flood like this, man.
okay. It takes
Remember
up
the flood is gonna...
it takes up the water from, you say the flood is gonna kill the mound?
Yes, man. This type of rain beat down everything, man. And wash away and settles on the plant root and soak it.
Yeah.
So it's too much water, it dies.
Yeah.
Even the fruit on the tree get hit, man.
So if we plant even the root in PVC elevated pipe,
you can't protect plants from flood.
But in spaceships they do.
That's a spaceship.
Maybe we should just get a spaceship and park it over here.
Them guys will wide up on it. Build shells. Yeah, seriously.
Yeah.
And let the roots trail in water. But that is also a thing where you have to control drainage and everything. No matter where man train, I go smart. You can't get around here, you can't stop the rain from falling excessively. You can't beat that. You get what I mean? Hey, if mankind will just play the game like the animal, them 15 with the time. We don't look nice, man. We don't die so we are make
Listen, brother. Right round here, so, brother. Is it right round here, so?
I decide banana land and I decided yam land.
Let me tell you something. This is a picnic area.
Right.
Okay, me not see banana, sorry to say.
Yeah, this is a picnic.
All I see between these two chairs, these two trees, because we saw the chairs up there.
So
you see, we're doing our own thing, right?
Yeah.
And what I see here is a big hammock.
Yes, lying between those two trees.
Who's gonna stop me, huh?
No one.
We could build a hammock ourselves,
yes,
with bamboo and nets.
No matter what, cards, size ropes.
We could make ridges inside of a wood,
yes,
and get a big hammock.
Yes, you don't need hammer, man. The man, what them boy with cable.
Me say hammock.
Hammock, yeah.
Yeah.
Cause if you twist, if you bind ropes to that big tree and link them to all these big trees and do it properly, you could have a hotel.
Then we not just rent it Airbnb. People then come sit over it 1 hour.
This are the Airbnb.
And then make them sit down on the chair out there, so.
These are the real Airbnb.
The real Airbnb. Oh, wait. Dragon, yeah, mash up the program, brother.
Airbnb, remember here that and I've been out in the nature.
Brother, here's the vision, guys. Put the hammock right there, sir. Brother, and put a big pot over here, sir. Dragon, you know, so me I go do it.
Yes, we are going to spend one weekend up there.
And even if it's rain, we bring a big umbrella. We no can make bamboo huts.
Yes, man.
Who are go tap way?
Not a soul, not a blue, man. We can put your roadside.
Bring some girls over.
Carry your tent.
Bring the tent.
I hope you will come to pick the tent.
Yes.
One day,
you see all up there, sir?
Yes, man. Hey, we have place, I hope you will come test the tent, Brush out the place where we want and just test the tent.
And bring some coal stove and
yes,
cook.
And just cook.
I use the river water.
No, the river water.
The river not too good. Bring water for your head. No forbid. Wow. We have to go camp out here, so as a spiritual
camp out.
Firewood. Bless up the slave then.
Yes.
Hey.
This is going to be known as the slave man party.
The slave man party?
Yes. Yes, man. Remember, so when the slave masters give it Christmas, we jump, we do all of the things, and we play, we host, so we do everything.
And we are saying now, tie a piece of junk on the rope on that one, yeah.
Everything, man, we are going nice up the area, man, and from that bridge to
if we not do it in this life, the next one,
we are doing it in this life.
This life?
This life.
Okay.
Right now.
Mm-hmm.
This.
Yeah, I like the tree over there, so
can't walk the property, man. Remember no man's land.
I know man's land.
Yeah. See,
Beautiful.
See the tree when him slippery end there.
What?
Slippery end, the thing with Jabal, the other tree.
Slippery hen.
Yeah, the bark, the tree where you drink, see that. When you give it the drink up on yard,
Yeah.
see that?
Mm.
At this tree. It is produced from the bark of this tree. And the leaves, this is the slippery end tree. This is the slippery elm tree.
Oh,
You get me?
I see.
Yeah.
So now, when I notice, yes, man. So this is for the joints, huh?
Yes.
So that means the leaf alone,
leaf alone
you can use it.
Yeah.
For tea.
Yeah. You can take 2 pieces.
Take some pieces. I want to drink some and see.
Yes, you boil it and you get it.
And is this tree grow in special places?
No, man.
Everywhere?
All over Jamaica. I have a lot of it in my will.
Oh, okay.
That was where Java got the first inspiration to reap it and go and try it, and he did.
Yes.
Yeah. No, serious, you know, sir. We really come up and spend a day.
Yeah, man.
On the old property, I know.
But we have to bring some girls because
me not tell you something.
they like to dance.
Yes, they'll be here.
And it will be
a coming a party.
Yes,
African slave party.
calming off the
Yes, man, we
slaves.
call all the girls them we know a hot girl, man.
Hey,
We carry them up here with me.
because
We
we're
can't find girls, man.
we're hot steppers.
Yes, and we have to have hot girls.
Yes.
Yeah, serious thing. We can't bring a girl. We can't bring girls from Bradley.
Now check this out.
Hey, that one they know. Don't make it in Maka hole, you know. And him name the puss claw.
The puss claw.
Maka. If that hook, you know, pa. Trouble to get it out of your skin, you know.
This at the end.
Pure Maka depend every leaf.
Every leaf.
That Maka tree this.
And also they're small, you know.
Yes.
And they're like courage. And they scratch you?
The one. No, they are not the courage one.
But no, I'm saying them small and them have mark up on them.
Yes, bad. You know, see that wall that is clean now. So you want proper monument, you know. You have brick and cut stone, you know, brother. Like it home, you know. A slave did this, you know. This, you know, this is from Columbus fucking days, you know.
Whoa!
No, joke about this. The first
That was the
master.
F word. Say that again. This was from Columbus. Frogging days. Yes, frogging. Don't.
Yes, excuse.
Stop frogging line.
Yeah, go right.
This is a frogging good idea.
Yes.
People, I speak this way because I have a daughter.
Yes,
And whenever I'm with my daughter,
can't use those words.
this is how I speak. Calm, nice, easy. Big up to my daughter. And thank you for allowing Daddy to go on this journey. Right? Because if she's strong right now, holding out, I have to get back home soon to see her. Right? Priorities, right, Janko? Right, Jaga?
Look, I think better John come here and talk about him from man, you know.
Yeah, me did call him.
Call him name.
Me call Janko. Imagine I have a friend, one of my good friends' name is Janko.
Yeah.
I say, you're dirty Janko.
I see him picture too.
Big up to Janko, Aliyah.
Yeah. All over.
This was a nice and easy adventure, you know.
Yes, man.
And it felt good.
Yes, I met a stranger.
Every time I come here, I feel renewed.
Yes.
The spirits are here.
Yes, man. Slave.
And they're happy that we passed through.
Right. Then get dig up from we come up by first time, you know, all over the world.
We did a ceremony in Wall, didn't we?
They knew. And they are thankful, you know.
The one and oh. Eh?
Last day, if I did go on there, look on the pumpkin and down just the bush ride up. Want to pick up here now. The day I look here and the guy come.
Beer pumpkin.
Huh?
Pit pumpkin.
You know, me I tell you the idea.
Me know say you like get liquor.
Huh?
Me know say terrible.
Go round there and cut.
You want go for day they go get.
Who there?
We are coming on cut.
You know, sir, seeing Bang again made me realize we stayed away too long.
Yes. And you see man come out.
But the right time, you know,
No man. You see how
because
we
he's
go
the
down
centrifugal energy.
now.
The
You
man
see,
that balance up
You
everything.
see man. He clean up in place. Before all the rain.
Royal.
Yeah.
So we have to take out the thing. Cause you know, that was my mission.
Yeah.
And thank you.
He went off, he lie down in the arrest. He was
And let me
inside
tell you
there
something.
sleeping in.
Thank you for pushing me.
Yes, man. You couldn't come so near.
And couldn't come so near and get so far.
No, I think you go up the road there. Where the next road.
But no, say you miss the eyes, you know.
That's why
I tell you, man.
Cause we miss you, you know, Father. All positivity. All positivity.
Yo, see up here, yeah. Can't them pay a goal.
Give thanks. Wow. See the man here,
Man
man.
goose, I go give me crab then and over there.
I say lie down and go. Round there.
I know pick one, see what me care from around there. One and this. Two. I go put all the coconut.
You mean it destroy everything but this?
No, you say he lie down on the ground round there. So you say he pumpkin when fit when coming.
Make we get him.